I'm going to be talking about the planets that we know. The first planet I'm going to be talking about is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it's the fastest planet. That's what I believe. But here's something weird. Mercury is not the hottest planet somehow. And I believe it's because it has a thin atmosphere. I might double check it and talk about it in the next video. And I don't know, the next video might be a little longer than this. Who knows? Okay, so that's it for the first planet. And the second planet is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It does have craters, but not as much as Mercury. And why not as much as enough as Mercury? I have no idea if you ask that question. Well, I guess the next planet is here. What I mean by here is Earth. Earth is the planet that I'm recording in this thing, obviously. And Earth is let me try that again. Earth is the planet that I'm literally recording on. Like, that's just that's kind of cool, but not that cool. Like, if you were on the moon and you're a person and you're like, and you're watching my video and you're like, oh, that's kind of cool, more cooler than me on Earth, then they might think it's cooler because they're on moon, not on Earth. Okay, anyways, also, let me talk about craters again. Earth doesn't have as many as Mercury, because Mercury, I don't know what I was, I think I know why Mercury has a lot of craters, because of asteroids. And I think those space rocks, I'm not sure if it's comets or asteroid, they're close to the sun. They orbit the sun, and they might hit Mercury. And if they hit Mercury like this, if they don't just whack Mercury and just break it into 1,000 pieces, they're probably just small asteroid like this. Just keep crashing like that. Pretend this is Mercury and pretend this is a bunch of asteroids coming. But enough talking about Mercury, because we already passed Mercury. And Earth got hit by this giant ball or planet, I believe. That I might double check it, just like those other two facts. And yeah, I might talk about it in the next video. Earth got whacked by this planet, and I was like, and that's what we think formed the moon. And once again, I might double check it. It's pretty confusing because, for me, it's pretty confusing because I have to double check a lot of stuff. Okay, now, enough talking about Earth. So now, enough talking about Mercury and Earth, because I talked a lot about Mercury. Okay, finally, we're at Mars, the last rocky planet we're going to be talking about today, maybe. Because now, Mars is our next goal. Mars might be our next space goal for people to go on Mars. And literally, there are actual robots on Mars, like what do you call them again? Mars rovers, I think. And also, Mars does have craters, but not as many as Mercury once again. But the next one, drum roll please. Never mind, actually. The next one is Jupiter. Jupiter has 0 craters, I think. I might double check it, like those other facts. So Jupiter is a gas giant. In fact, it's the biggest planet in the solar system. That's what we believe, I think. If any asteroid comes like this, if it comes at really high speed and it's like this, boom! Jupiter's chilling, not doing anything because it's a gas giant. The next one is Saturn. Saturn has rings like Jupiter, but a lot of people might not know that Jupiter has tiny rings. That's at least what I think. And I think Saturn, the rings are made out of dust, I think. Made out of dust and asteroid thingies, I don't know. After Saturn is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and then Neptune. 2 more planets to go. 2. First is and then the second last one is Uranus. But Uranus has rings just like Saturn. But they're small. But something's funny about Uranus because it's tilted. You can clearly see that because the rings aren't like this, they're like this. That's what I believe though. The last one is Neptune. It still has rings somehow, for some reason. Neptune is the last planet in the solar system. Neptune is and I forgot to say that not Jupiter. 2 planets in the solar system are gas giants, but also ice giants. They're Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is an ice giant and a gas giant because Uranus doesn't get destroyed by asteroids. Same for not Uranus. Same for Neptune. So they're both ice giants, and so that's it for this video. So bye guys, have the best day ever, and also thanks for watching. Bye.